Well, Gareth, you really did have to work hard for that one.
Yeah, I think it's not all plain sailing in any games, and yeah, we didn't have the greatest of luck tonight with the sending off, but as I said before, the team spirit is incredible. We showed that on the pitch, and yeah, fully deserved the win, I thought.
Were you always confident you could hold on with 10 men?
Yeah, definitely. I always thought we could, even if we had to defend. I knew we had pace on the counter-attack to get them, and I think they were very wary of that, so they kept a few back, which obviously helped us for them going forward. So no, it was a very difficult game and difficult circumstances, but we came through it and showed the togetherness in the team.
Was that a red card for Andy King? Did you think deserved?
I honestly haven't seen it, but from what I've seen on the pitch, I didn't think. That's why I had a little argument with the referee and unfortunately got booked. But yeah, for me it wasn't. But when the decision's made, you have to kind of get your head down and get on with it, and we definitely did that.
What about the challenge on you in the opening few minutes and a few others afterwards?
Yeah, it's you'd hope they'd get the same treatment, but as I said, I haven't seen the sending off, and I'm sure a few of them probably should have maybe got a bit more than they did.
They said they were not going to take special measures against you, but you could have fooled me.
Yeah, it's kind of normal getting taken out these times. You kind of just have to dust yourself off and go again, and everybody did that tonight.
Everybody stepped up, but David Cottrell, Hal Robson, Carnan.
Yeah, definitely. As I said, I think the players that are coming in now, we've got a good depth, and whoever comes in is doing a fantastic job. We've got a lot of injuries, we haven't moaned once, and we've just got on with the job, put players out, and they've done a great job for us.
Top of the group going to Belgium next month. How do you look at it now?
Yeah, I think the minimum amount of points we wanted from these two games was 4. We knew Bosnia was going to be a difficult game, and they're a very good team, which a point is a good result. And yeah, we definitely thought we could beat Cyprus tonight. Obviously, difficult circumstances, but we got the job done, which is the most important thing. And maybe in different campaigns we wouldn't have won tonight.
Together stronger is the motto behind you. I mean, did that Wales team really show something different tonight?
Yeah, as I said, I think we've all turned a corner. I think when we come away with Wales now, everybody loves being there. The banter's flying, everyone's getting along together. There's no single groups. Everybody's having a laugh with each other, and it shows on the pitch. Everybody's fighting for every ball together. We're all together, and I think that shows in the results that we're getting.
All the best, Gareth.
Thank you.